Application of Excel in business. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze numerical and statistical data. It provides multiple features to perform various operations like calculations, pivot tables, graph tools, macro programming. It is compatible with multiple operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Let's understand what is spreadsheet. An Excel spreadsheet is a collection of columns and rows that form a table. Alphabetical letters are assigned to columns and numbers are usually assigned to rows. The point where a column and a row meet is called a cell. The address of a cell is given by the letter representing the column and the number representing a row. Use of Excel in business. MS Excel is quite popular in business because spreadsheets are highly visual and fairly easy to use. Some of application areas of Excel in business are business analysis, people management, operations management, reporting, office administration, strategic analysis, project management, contract administration, account management. Let's understand what are Excel dashboards. Excel dashboards is a tool to visualize figures, turning lines of data into easy to read and shareable graphs and charts. They provide a snapshot of current business performance so that one can make data driven decisions. Excel dashboards can be used to create dynamic charts with user friendly front ends for data tables. Let's look at sensitivity analysis using Excel. Sensitivity analysis, what if analysis, determines how different values of an independent variable affect a particular dependent variable under a given set of assumptions. Excel tools allows a user to see what the desired result of the financial model would be under different circumstances. They also allow the user to select two variables in the model and see how a desired output, such as earnings per share, a common metric used, would change based on the new assumptions. Thank you.